Welcome to another edition of the 30A Beach House Highlight. This week I'm coming to you from Watercolor, and we're here on Rainbow Row of the Park District, which is arguably one of the most sought after areas in all of watercolor. This is 136 Silver Laurel Way. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, just under 2,800 square feet with a list price of $3.89 million. Let me give you 3 things that I love about this property. Number 1 is its prime location. You're a few steps away from the Watercolor Beach Club, as well as the Watercolor Town Center and Seaside, making this the prime location to walk to all your favorite spots. Number 2 is the incredible updates. This house has been updated top to bottom, and the finishes really shine here. And number 3, the outdoor spaces. 2 porches on the front, 2 porches on the back make this the ideal location to spend time with your family and friends. If you'd like more information and to see the photos of this beautiful property, click the link below. And if you have dreams of one day owning your own piece of beach paradise, get in touch. I'd love to help make those dreams a reality. And before you go, click that subscribe button and that notification bell below so you can make sure you know every time new content hits this channel. Until next time, have a great day on 30A.